Welcome to MailConversio AI. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to turn all your email broadcast to profit-pulling machines using Netflix-style email boosters. Before I show you how easy it is to create these booster elements, let me quickly show you some of the elements we've previously created. These elements give live to your email broadcasts and help you triple your click-through and conversion rates. Creating these elements is very easy and takes less than a minute. Once you're inside the MailConversio AI members area, you just have to select your preferred element, customize, and embed it to your email sender platform. First, we have the QR code element, which allows you to create and embed QR codes directly into your email. Next is the Google Map element. This element allows you to embed any map location directly inside your email and displays a preview of the location. Next, the countdown timer. This element helps you create high scarcity by adding countdown to the expiration of an offer or discount. Next is the forms and questionnaire booster element. This element helps you create questions and inquiries that your email audience can easily answer with multiple options. We have tutorial guides that will show how to best use it. Next is the ratings and rankings element. This element offers you the opportunity to create ratings and ranking analysis in your email for a product or service offered. Next is the CTA element. This element allows you to embed well-styled call-to-action buttons to your emails. Next is the polls element. This element helps you collect polls on a general subject directly inside your email. Next, the image placeholder element. This element allows you to embed GIF images directly inside your email. Next is the yes and no bar element. This element allows your users to tell you how they feel about a particular product, offer, or service. Next, the social badges element helps you connect your email audience to your social media pages, thereby boosting engagements. Next, the progress bar element. This element helps to increase the conversion of your email by showing huge scarcity for your offer. Next is the Facebook post element. This element allows you to embed a snippet of your Facebook post to boost engagement on the post. Next, the Instagram post element. This element allows you to embed a snippet of your Instagram post to boost engagement on the post. Next, we have the Twitter post element. This element allows you to embed a snippet of your Twitter post to boost engagement on the post. Next, the Pinterest post element. It allows you to embed a snippet of your Pinterest post directly inside your email. Next, the LinkedIn post element. It allows you to embed a snippet of your LinkedIn post to boost engagement on the post. Next, TikTok post element. This element allows you to embed a snippet of your TikTok post to boost engagement on the post. Looks amazing, right? Next, the YouTube video element. This element allows you to embed a clear thumbnail of any YouTube video, which increases your reader's interest and boosts the click-through rate. Next, the Wistia video element, which allows you to embed a clear thumbnail of any Wistia video, which increases your reader's interest and boosts the click-through rate. Next, the Vimeo booster element, which also helps you embed a clear thumbnail of any Wistia video, which increases your reader's interest and boosts the click-through rate. Next, we have the blog post element. This element helps you embed a snippet of your WordPress blog post directly inside your email. Next is the personalized signature element, which allows you to embed a clear business signature to your email to help your audience reach out to you easily. Wow, it's really awesome what you can do with MailConversio, right? But that's not all. MailConversio AI also comes with an email spam detection tool. It uses real artificial intelligence to scan all your email broadcasts to find words that will make your email hit the spam folder.
Apart from creating Email Booster and using spam detection for your email swipes, MailConversio AI also comes with 7 AI-powered tools that helps offer additional content creation services to your clients, with up to $7,000 profit every month. Number 1 on the list is the Email Creator, which helps you create different types of email swipes, including welcome emails, cold emails, confirmation emails, follow-up emails, cancellation emails, promo emails, and announcement emails. With this Email Creator tool, you can also create subject lines for your email that will 10 times your open rate. Next, we have the Article Post Creator. This tool creates engaging content in just seconds. Just input your desired topic and watch this tool generate well-researched, engaging, and SEO-friendly content. Next, we have the PAS Copy Creator. This tool specializes in creating high-converting sales copies that follow the proven PAS sales copy formula: pain, agitation, and solution. Next is the AIDA Sales Copy Creator. This tool helps you craft persuasive sales copy that grabs your readers' attention and compels them to take action. It specializes in creating copy that follows the proven AIDA sales copy formula: attention, interest, desire, and action. Next is the Testimonial and Review Creator. This tool helps you create positive feedbacks for your product and services effortlessly, based on real customer experiences. Next is Long Content Summarizer. This tool helps you cut through the noise by condensing lengthy articles, reports, or ebooks into concise summaries. It makes your content more digestible for your audience, maximizes engagement and knowledge retention. Finally, we have the Sentence Expander. This AI tool takes your short content and expands it with additional relevant information, examples, and insights. Need further assistance? You can contact our support team via live chat right now inside your MailConversio AI account. Hurry! Grab your access now!